Hello my students, today we'll explain from the book, your volume 1, topic number 2, Fluently add and subtract multiplied digit whole numbers. We can find sum between two numbers. We know the greatest number in your mind, a small number in your hand, and then just after, like if we asked you about 5 plus 2, you must put 5 in your head and 2 in your hand, just after 5, 6 and 7. You can break apart the addition and use mental math to find the sum. Show your exists about this number, like collected 1034 basket cards, small cards, 1289 football cards, and 1566 hockey cards. Is a mental math to find the number of cards collecting. We can add together three numbers. We can add together like this example: 1000. First number we have 1034, like here. We'll write expanded for about 1034 to 1034, and 1566, write 1000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 6, and 1289, write 1000 plus 2000 plus 200, 1000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 9. And then we can add 4 plus 6, 10 plus 9, 19, 30 plus 80 plus 6, 170, 200 plus 500 equals 700. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, 3000. Then the total number will be 3700 plus 100, 800, 3879, and 70 plus 1 equal 8. We can put together 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 8 also. Then the result will be 3889. We can find the answer about this expanded form. About second method, we have two methods to find the number. Okay, but the another example: 1034 plus 1289 plus 1566. Here, right here, 1000 plus 300 plus 4, and 1280 plus 9, and 1000 plus 500 plus 66. We get here the wrong answer, because 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus, we must carry up 1, because 9 here will be going in the next steps. So the correct answer here we can count like this. The first solution is the correct, okay? The answer second was false. Okay, understood? We have 1034 plus the case number here 1289 and 1566. We know 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 9 and carry up 1. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 8 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 equal 3. So the first correct answer, but the second solution not correct, okay? Must choose the first solution and write it here. Is the answer here about this work here in this space. Okay, and now you want to find, I think it's just numbers about steps. The result will be 3889. Okay, we can write the answer here. Okay, next page, page 38. Understood the answer here? 37, page 38. We will explain this page about expanded form. This number like this. We have associative property to find the result like this: associative property and commutative property and identify property. 0 is the identity. Identity 0, and commutative property, it's meaning replacing. You can replace the two numbers. Like a simple answer about this example, we have 1989 plus 2595. We can replace together. Use here associative properties to find the result. Understood? You can, using associative properties, write 1985 plus 15, because he writes this number 15 plus 2580. Understood, my students? Okay, I will explain the steps here about this example. We have 1989, 1985, 82, 2595. We can raise this number here, 1985, 82, this number 2500, and this number 98, 95. We can write two numbers like 80 and 15. Okay, and then we can replace, right? 15 plus this number. We use here what? Associative properties, and this is using commutative properties, right? 15 plus this number, 1985 plus 15 equal to 2580. And then we can add together two numbers, 5 plus 5 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 plus 8 10, 0 and carry up 1, 9 plus 1 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2000 plus 2580. Then the result will be what? We can add together, 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 8 and 5, 2 plus 2 4, then the result will be 4580, using associative and commutative properties to find the answer. Next page. Here. Now he will give you the example to find the difference between two numbers like this. Example, look at the steps. Do you understand about this question? What about 2987 plus 4278 was mental math? There was property to find the answer. Is the simple answer make 10. Make 10 how? Like this number, we have 2987. Okay. Look at steps here. About first, we have 2987 plus 4278 with dimensional mass. We can raise the steps. Okay, I will raise the steps here to find the answer with me. Okay, look at the steps here. First, when I find the answer about 2987 into 4278, I can raise this number plus 4278 and using expanded form 4278, right? 2987, we know this number needs 13 to get this number because 87 plus 13 equal 100. Then we can write here 13 from this number, count 8 minus 3 5 and 7 minus 1 6 and write 2 and 4, and then we can add together here in the brackets like the associative properties and commutative. This number 3 plus 7 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 plus 8 10, 0 and carry up 1, 9 plus 1 10, 0 and carry up 1, 3000 plus 4265. Write 5 6 2 and 4 plus 3 7, then the result will be 7265. Okay, understood? That's example number 1. Next example, you can find the difference between two numbers like this steps. We have 6794 subtract by 999. We can write 6794 subtract by, we know 999 equal 1000 subtract by 1. Then you can write 6794 subtract by 1000 and then add 1. We can write 4 minus 0 4 and 9 minus 0 9, 7 minus 0 7, 6 minus 1 5 plus 1, and then we add together to find the result. 4 plus 1 5, and then write 9 and 7 and 5, then the total number 5795. Okay, next question number 3. We have 4505 plus 3550. This number we know 5 plus what equal 10, 5 plus 5. Then you can write here this number 15 plus 5 equal 20. Okay, you can write 4505 plus, we can write here 15, subtract from this number, it will be 3500. Okay, and 15 plus this number 5 plus 5 10 0 and carry 1 20 5 and 4. That's 3,500, and then we can find the 8 to number 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 2 2 5 plus 5 10 0 and carry 1 4 plus 4 equal 8. The result will be 8,020. What about question number 4? We have 9,100 plus 2,130 plus 900. We can using here about this example using commutative properties, because 900 plus 100 1,000. We can add together first 9,100 plus 900 and then write 2,170. We use here commutative and associative properties, and some of them 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 9 plus 1 10 0 and carry 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 2,130. Then we can add together, and 10 plus 2 12. Then the result will be 12,130. Understood? Next question number 5. 7,000 subtract by 827. 7,000 subtract by 827. We can find the difference. How? We know 827 it will be 7,000 subtract by 1,000 subtract by what equals this number. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 9 minus 2 equals 7, and 9 minus 8 1. And then we can write 7,000 subtract by 1,000, it will be 6,000, and then 8,173, because negative to negative positive, the result will be 6,173. Okay, question number 10. We have 23,100 plus 74,900. We can write 23,000 into 100, and this number 47,000 plus 900, and then we can write 23,000 plus 74,000, this number 1,000 plus 100 plus 900. Write 3 zeros. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, and the answer here will be 1,000. We can add together, the result will be 98,000. Next brackets here. How much greater is the area of California than Montana, and explain how to use mental math to solve. We can find the difference between two numbers. The answer here 10,230 square meters. Simple answer. Count to subtract. We can find the difference from two numbers, California and Montana. 155,779 subtracted by 145,546. We can subtract from this number 46 first, and then 500, and then 45,000, and then 100,000. Strategy to find the answer. Okay, we can write the actual number about find the result in one step. We can write 155,779 subtract 145,546. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 9 minus 6 equals 3, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 minus 7 minus 5 equals 2, and 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1, and 1 minus 1 0. Then the result will be 10 and 233. 10,233. Okay, you know the method to find the difference between two numbers. Find the area of state with the least number of square miles to the nearest 10,000. You want approximating to the nearest 10,000. Where state is here. Round the area of state, this number. Where is the state? The last is the least number of square miles. The least number here will be what? The least number 121,000. The smallest number 121,298. We can approximate it to the nearest 10,000. 1 can give 1 or not can give 1, so you can write 1 2 0 and 3 0 here. The result will be 1000. Okay, you must approximate it to the nearest 10,000 this example, and this is step separate solution. Next question, number 13. The town of Warman Grove has collected 28,481 beans for a school. Sabbath Drive. Their goals is 30,000 beans. Show how to counting on to find how many more beans they need to reach their goal. Okay. The total number we can add together by steps. We can write 28,481 to 3 and 40, 30,000. We can add together to find the result. Okay, and show find the result. Total number whole beans and drive their goal 30,000 beans. The result will be what? We can find the result, okay, by find the difference between two numbers right here. 30,000, he won't find the difference. How many more? It's meaning the difference, okay? 30,000 subtract by 28,481. We can use this method about this number 28,000, count from this number to going to 6,000. We must add 19 first to get 28,500, and then add 500 also, and then we can count all the steps. You can find the result by counting. You know the steps? I will explain two steps about this example, okay? We can count from smaller 28,481 to the number, it will be what? 30,000. How? First step, we must add 19. If we add 19 to this number, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, and the carrot 1, 2 plus 1, 10, 0, and the carrot 1, 1 plus 4, 5, and write 28,500. And then we can add 500 also. Then the result will be what? 8,500, write double 0, and 5 plus 5, 10, 0, and the carrot 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 29,000. Count to going to 30,000 by add 30,000. So the solution, we must add 1,000 plus 500 plus 19. 1,000 plus 500 plus 19. It will be 1,519. 1,519. Okay. Solution. Next question. Number 14. Conversations with two northern elephant seals and adult seal weight 6,600 pounds and its pup weight 3,847 pounds. What is their combined weight? Explain how to use mental math to solve. We have the number here, count from smaller to greater. I want, right, 3,847 plus what? Equals 6,600. So I can count from smaller to greater. Okay. Or we can add together to find the sum. In this example, how much mental use to solve? We can add together to find the result. Again, an adult sea weight 6,600 and its pup weight. So we can add together, okay, to find the result. 6,600 plus 3,847. Who can tell me the steps here? We know this number by 4 plus 400 equal 7,000. We can raise this number 3,447 plus 400 plus 6,600. And then we can add together 3,447 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 6 plus 14, 0, and the carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. And then we can write 0 plus 7 equals 7, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 4 equal 4, and 7 plus 3 equal 10. Then the result will be 10,447. Next question. It's clearly answer correct and what's the mistake? Here she put this number plus 2 and plus 2. No, it's not correct because she can put it equal 2 plus 6. It's not answer correct. So we can find the result 5,356 add to 2,398. We can write this number plus 4. 5,356 plus 4 here from this number. Or you can write never anything. You can 8 plus 2. You can write like this. She solved it 8 2. So you can write 5,356. You can 6 here, write 4 and 2. Okay? And 8 two numbers, 2,398. And then 5,354 plus this number, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 and carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 and carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 and write 2. Then 0 plus 4 equal 4, 0 plus 5 equal 5, 4 plus 3 equals 7, and 2 plus 5 equals 7. And the total number 7,754. Okay, it's the correct answer. So you must know the solution to find the result. Next question here. It means us to find 1,218 plus 1,585. Okay, we can write 1,218 plus 1,598. We can add 2 to this number. From this number, cancel 2. It will be 16 plus 2 and 1,596. 98. Okay, using here associative properties. And then 1,216 plus 2 plus 8, 10, 0 and carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 and carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6 and write 1. 0 plus 1 equal 1, 6 plus 2 equal 8, and 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 2,860. It's mental math to find 5,280 subtract by 1,997. The result will be equal 0 minus 7. We can do it. 10 minus 7 equal 3. 7 minus 9 equal 17. 17 minus 9 equal 8. And then 1 minus 9 we can do it. 11 minus 9 equal 2, and 4 minus 1 equal 3. And the result will be 3,283. Choose letter D. Okay, so last question. Next time I will explain this lesson. Goodbye.